If you are suffering from nodular arthritis, means you are having the node formations in the finger joints, as you can see in the video. This is how your hand looks. Then this is because of arthritis. Why it happens, to whom it happens more, and what are the herbs or the vitamins that can help, we are going to discuss in today's video. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First, who suffer more from this issue? People who have autoimmune diseases, they are more prone to get this issue, especially women, and that too after menopause. They can especially suffer from this issue. Even if a person is overweight, they are also more prone to get this health issue. It's not so that every obese person is going to get the nodes in the joints, in the fingers, but it can appear in a skinny person or a thin person, but it has been seen that obese people are more prone to get in comparison to the lean people. So these are some of the causes, and one of the important cause, the biggest cause, is your gut. Ayurveda, the holistic medical science, says if you want to treat any of the disease, arthritis or anything, you have to start from the treatment of your koshtha. We can relate it to the gut in modern terms. So Ayurveda also says the same. Now modern medical science is also saying the same thing, that if you want to treat these nodules that has formed, you can get a little bit of help if your gut is healthy. You are not suffering from dysbiosis. You are having good and healthy gut bacteria. If you have less gut bacteria or your gut is not healthy, then the chances of getting nodular arthritis is going to be very, very high. This is what we don't want. So in this, what is going to help you? Vata pacifying diet is going to be very, very helpful. Vata pacifying diet is very simple. There will be a list of products that you should consume, and there will be a list of products that you should avoid. That's it. Go through the list. You have to decide your own menu. Just choose from that diet what suits you well, what grows near to you well, what you can purchase. So just go through Vata pacifying diet. It can be helpful. Vata pacifying diet I have on my website. My website is vherbal.in. You can get lots of cosmetic stuff and some of the herbs also over there. But I have a section for diets also. And over there you can find Vata pacifying diet. So do follow Vata pacifying diet, and this can be a help. Now, another thing that is going to be very helpful is Moringa. It is also known as drumstick. Nowadays, it is said as superfood. Awesome. Moringa is one of the best things for our joint. It decreases the inflammation. It balances the insulin levels in our body. If you have high glucose levels, and this also, Moringa can be a help. It helps us to balance the iron levels in our body. If you are suffering from iron deficiency or you have low iron in your body, then in this case also Moringa can be a help. If you are having any kinds of joint issue, in this Moringa can be a help. If you are suffering from high cholesterol, in this also Moringa can be a help. I use Moringa a lot in my practice, and I have seen the results. That's why I can say this. Yes, in all these cases, I have seen that yes, Moringa helps. And Moringa is one of the best things for our gut. If you are suffering from gas, bloating, indigestion, constipation, Moringa can be a big help. If you want to balance the microbiome of your gut, in this also Moringa can be a big help. If you want to have that energy throughout the day, Moringa can be a help. But the dose of Moringa is very important. I suggest you to start with half teaspoon at night after your meal. Either you can mix Moringa in the water and then add 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or lime juice to it. Then you can drink it. Either you can add Moringa to your kefir, to your yogurt, or to your buttermilk, anything, and you can consume it in the daytime. So in any form as you like, just add Moringa powder, half teaspoon, and consume it. Why I'm saying powder? Because powder is much more effective than the tablet. So start consuming Moringa powder at least for 5 to 7 days. And if everything is well, then increase the dose. Then start taking Moringa half teaspoon in the morning and half teaspoon in the evening. Do it for 5 to 7 days. If everything goes well, then again increase the dose. Then in the morning, continue with half teaspoon, and in the evening, go for 1 teaspoon. Take it for a week, and during whole of the week, if everything is good, then you can increase the dose of moringa to 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 teaspoon in the evening. That's it. That's the dose that you should be taking. Don't take a lot of moringa in a day unless you have been prescribed by your doctor. So in this dose, 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 teaspoon in the evening, this dose can be taken for a long period of time. So see which dose suits you. Now, main question is how I should know, or what are the signs and symptoms that I'm going to feel that will say that the dose of moringa is high, or you have to stick to the previous dose. So if you feel discomfort in the stomach, if you have to go to the toilet many times, means you suffer from light diarrhea. This happens, and this means you have to taper the dose of moringa. You have to decrease the dose of moringa. So that's why I said you to increase slowly, gradually with the time. See how your body is reacting. If you increase the dose to 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon in the evening, and you feel that you are suffering from diarrhea, you have to go to the toilet 3-4 times, and you have liquid stool, this means you have to go to the previous dose. So see which dose suits your body and continue with that dose. In some people, not in all, but in some people, I have noticed that moringa can increase the blood pressure. If a person is suffering from high blood pressure, if you are suffering from high blood pressure, half teaspoon of moringa at night is not going to give you any issues. But as you will increase your dose, you have to monitor your blood pressure also. If you reach up to 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 teaspoon in the evening, and you feel that every day your blood pressure is on the higher side, it has increased, this means you have to decrease the dose. You have to come to the previous dose when there was nothing happening with your blood pressure. It happens in very few cases, but it's my duty to tell you that yes, this can also happen. So feel your body, see which is the right dose for you, and continue with that dose. Now, how long we can take moringa? Moringa can be taken for an year without any gap. Moringa is awesome. Maybe it is growing near to you. This is how its trees looks. This is how its leaves look. You should know how it looks. Maybe it's growing near to you. If it's growing, just collect the leaf, dry them in the shade, and then grind them. You'll get green powder. This green moringa powder you have to consume, and I have told you the dose and I have told you the time, how long you can do it. So start consuming moringa powder. I also consume moringa powder, and I make moringa powder. You can find my moringa powder selling on my website. If you are interested, you can have a look. So start consuming moringa. It is one of the best things if you want to reduce that stiffness from your joints, if you want to reduce inflammation from your body, if you want to sleep well, if you want that energy throughout the day, maybe moringa is the answer for you. I hope today's video will be helpful for you. See you in next video with a big smile. Smile more. Stay happy. Stay healthy.